Hello class, today we will discuss question number 5. A line PQ has its endpoint P 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of the VP. The line 50 mm long and its front view and top view incline at an angle of 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. Draw projection of line PQ and find its inclination with the HP and VP. So now class, as per the given conditions are class true length 50 mm, endpoint P above HP 10 mm, in front of VP 15 mm, that P point lying in first quadrant, angle made by front view 60 degree and angle made by top view is 45 degree, alpha beta, and we need to find out class true inclination theta and phi. Let's start with class reference line. Suppose class this is XY reference line. First we will mark class projection of P point. It is 10 mm above HP. The above HP distance is class is visible in VP, and in front of VP distance is visible in top view. So your P point lying in first quadrant. The first quadrant class, above reference line is VP, below reference line is your HP. So class we will mark 10 mm in VP. And in front of VP will mark below reference line. So now class, over the reference of 10 mm we will mark class P dash, starting point of line in front view. Now extend class P dash vertical downward. That point is class your P, starting point of line in top view. Now class measure alpha, angle made by front view with XY. Similarly, this is class your alpha. Now class measure beta 45 degree with top view. This is class here beta. Okay, so now class, this is your given condition which we marked on the sheet. Now class TL is 250 mm is given to you class, but true inclination is not known to you. So class, we can't mark true length here. So that means class, by using this much data class, we can't draw a projection of line unless and until class we will assume something here. So that's why class here we will assume, suppose the end point of the front view is X. So class, suppose this is your X dash, end point of front view. And class, we know the endpoint of front view and endpoint of top view will lie on the same vertical line. So now class, extend x dash vertical downward up to the reference of top view inclination. Extend class x dash to class, this point is your x, and x is nothing but class endpoint of top view. Okay, and now class, we know from x we can class draw a locus of x. So now class, draw a locus of x. So class, this is your locus of x. Again class, I am saying here x is nothing but an imaginary point which we assumed as a endpoint of front view. Okay, now class, we know your front view is equal to elevation length. So now class, rotate front view up to the reference of p dash, and class, this point is your nothing but x2 dash. That is, the p dash and x2 dash is nothing but class elevation length. And now we know class, when we extend x2 dash, we will get class x2, and x2 is nothing but class endpoint of true length in top view. So now class, extend x2 dash up to the locus of x. Okay, so now class, this point is your this point is class your x2, and x2 is nothing but class endpoint of true length in top view. Now class, join p and x2. Now class, this inclination is nothing but class your phi. Getting class, this inclination is nothing but class inclination of phi, true length of line in top view. So class, this is your phi. Okay, now class, on that inclination we will mark class actual true length dimension 50 mm. Okay, so now class, this point is your Q2. Okay, now class, from Q2 draw a locus of Q. So class, this is your actual locus of Q, and this is your imaginary locus line of X. Okay, now this is your Q2, so then that means class, this point is your Q. Okay, so now class, this is your true length in top view, and this is class your top view PQ. Okay, now class, extend top view vertically up, so we'll get class extend endpoint of top view Q vertically up, then we will get class Q dash, because class endpoint of top view and endpoint of front view will lie on the same vertical line. So now class, extend Q2 vertically up. So this point is class your nothing but Q dash. Now class draw locus of Q dash. So class this is your locus of Q dash. Okay, now class we need to find out true length in. So class you have two method class. You can either you can directly mark 50 mm from P dash, or you can rotate top view then extend. So class here I am directly finding out this is class 50 mm, then from here cut on that locus of Q dash, and this point is class your Q1 dash. Okay, now class join. Then dark class your top view. Also this is class your top view, and your TL medium dark. Okay, and class this is your theta. Now class find out inclination of theta and phi. So class theta is coming 50 degree. Theta is coming class 50 degree. And phi is coming class 26 degree. Okay, so class this is your complete solution. So here class only the tricky part is class we have to assume endpoint of either front view, or you can assume class endpoint of top view also. You will get same result. Okay, hope you understood class. So giving this is class your front view, and this is class your true length.